My name is Anya Richards and I studied Integrated Master in Policing and Criminal Investigation. It was one of the most interesting courses that I went to because I kind of went to Liverpool and Derby, and this one kind of interested me the most because there was an on-campus crime scene and I just liked the lecturers and all of the different things they were saying. With the crime scene house, we got to make up our own case files and then present them in like a moot court and have like the lecturers being judges and barristers and defence and kind of trying to be the police officer who gave the case in court. It was quite interesting. My placement was to do with the Violence Against Women and Girls hub set within the uni. The main part of my job was reaching out to people like the Muslim Women's Network and the Sikh Women's Network, and they're kind of on board now to help with the research. It was scary but also quite rewarding because I've never done anything quite like it. It felt like a little bit when we were starting, like I was kind of quite low on the totem pole and it didn't feel like I should be doing it, should be reaching out because I'm a student, but kind of working up my courage to say like, I'm doing this, I'm not just a student, I'm helping with this research. I either want to go towards and do a PhD in violence against women, or I want to go into the police and become a detective. I'm both more confident and I've kind of now got the links to do what I want to do.